Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Java Hibernate. In this session we would learn about inheritance mapping in Hibernate. Let's start it. We can map the inheritance hierarchy classes with the table of the database. There are three inheritance mapping strategies defined in the Hibernate. Table per hierarchy, table per concrete class, and table per subclass. We can do it by using XML or annotation. I will provide you example for each. Now let's understand table per hierarchy. In table per hierarchy mapping, single table is required to map the whole hierarchy. An extra column known as discriminator column is added to identify the class. But nullable values are stored in the table. By this inheritance strategy, we can map the whole hierarchy by single table only. Here, an extra column, also known as discriminator column, is created in the table to identify the class. Let's see it with an example. Now let's discuss about table per concrete class. In case of table per concrete class, tables are created as per class. But duplicate column is added in subclass tables. In case of table per concrete class, tables are created per class. So there are no nullable values in the table. Disadvantage of this approach is that duplicate columns are created in the subclass tables. Here, we need to use @inheritance, strategy equals inheritance type dot table underscore per underscore class, annotation in the parent class and @attribute overrides annotation in the subclasses. @inheritance, strategy equals inheritance type dot table underscore per underscore class, specifies that we are using table per concrete class strategy. It should be specified in the parent class only. @attribute overrides defines that parent class attributes will be overridden in this class. In table structure, parent class table columns will be added in the subclass table. Now let's discuss about table per subclass. In this strategy, tables are created as per class but related by foreign key. So there are no duplicate columns. In case of table per subclass, subclass map tables are related to parent class map table by primary key and foreign key relationship. The joint subclass element of class is used to map the child class with parent using the primary key and foreign key relation. In this example, we are going to use hb2ddl.auto property to generate the table automatically. So we don't need to be worried about creating tables in the database. Let's see it with an example. Follow the steps. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.